Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching that earwax removal video today. Now in this first particular patient here, we've got this really kind of thick peel almost that needs to happen around the ear canal wall. Now what's happened here is the wax is built up really thickly and it's almost gone quite solid. So what you'll see, if I start lifting this up, we've got a layer of dead skin that sits underneath this wax and that's kind of held it all together. So we're going to have to peel all of that off the ear canal wall before we can bring this down the canal. So this is the standard size ulnar tube in here a minute, and we're just pulling this down. You can see how it's detaching from the canal wall as one sort of almost continuous layer. So we're just going to bring this forward. It looks like it just sheared just a little bit there. There we go. You can see that's that first layer. See that smoother sort of underside to the wax there as we took that away. So we're just going to go in now and grab the next section, bring that forwards. There we go. Out that comes. Fantastic. So we're coming towards the end of our October session, guys, where we're putting videos up every Monday through to Friday at 9 PM UK time. Now we were trialing this. Now from our perspective, it's gone quite well. We're able to get the videos out. So if this is something you want us to continue with, keep doing the Monday through to Fridays, let me know in the comment section below and we'll carry that on for you. Now you can just see this is what it started like and this is what it looks like afterwards. So very different ear canals. They're looking lovely and clear. Into the second ear canal now, you can see a little bit more blocked up in this one. We can't really see much of the eardrum here. So we're just going to go in and start to peel this away as well. Unfortunately, guys, we no Taylor this week on the videos. He is back in work, but it was been difficult for us both to get together this week. We've been very busy in both clinics. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, things will be back to normal for next week and you'll see Taylor a little bit more often as well. So we're just lifting this off the canal wall. You can see how we have to peel again. You can see underneath the wax as it breaks away, all those sort of little bits of skin detaching from this main plug. So there we go, out that comes. That's quite a nice piece, that one. Let's go in and take a look behind it. There we go. We've got the back end of that plug of wax there. Luckily, it peeled away really nicely. Now, sometimes if this is a little bit brittle, you'll get little snappages all the way along and you'll get little chunks coming away. So this is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like afterwards. You can see very different ear canal there. So we've got 2 centimeters, just over 3/4 of an inch of wax on that one. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. We've got a couple of lovely skin ribbons in this next one for you. So we're just going to flick onto that one in a second. There we go. So when we take a look in this particular patient's ear canal, we can see we've got that sort of layer of skin around the outside edge of that wax plug there. So let's concentrate on see if we can get this moving forwards. Now it looks very soft. Patients put a lot of softening drops in here just to try and ease their sort of hearing issues that have been going on. But because this is a plug wrapped in skin, it forms a really good seal. You can just see a bit of skin coming away from the canal wall. There we go. Look at that starting to come away. Let's give this a bit of a wiggle. I did try and keep this in one piece, guys, but it just broke away as we took it out. So you can see that little skin ribbon just starting there. There we go. Out that comes. Quite a long old piece, that one. There you go, you get a good look at it there. So we've got that initial plug of wax, this long sort of tail, almost like a comet, this long tail of skin that's sitting behind it. So now we've got that wax plug there. There's a little bit of skin you can see us lifting up from the bottom. It has a very distinctive look when you take skin out. We've got another ribbon just starting there. There we go, look at that starting to feed down the canal. There we go. Out that one comes as well. So another little skin ribbon there. So you can see how this wax has been completely wrapped around in this skin. So we're just going to lift this next section away. There we go. Let's pull that off to one side. We've got a little bit of, looks like a little bit of skin there to the left-hand side as well. Now it doesn't look like it's going to form a ribbon. We've got another layer of skin underneath. You can see that kind of almost beige, bordering on sort of like a grey beige colour, a greige, there we go, just underneath. And that's the skin layer that we can see going through. So we've got down to this sort of darker, sort of meatier bit of the wax now. Now this is actually the plug itself. So I popped a little bit of olive oil in here just because it was really sticky and I didn't want to budge. But the olive oil, there it goes, out it comes. The olive oil makes such a massive difference sometimes, especially with these sticky plugs. They kind of really fly out to the ear canals then sometimes. But a really dark, thick wax plug, that one. And let's take a look behind it. Oh, we just got a little tiny bit of wax here. Let's just nip those little bits off. There we go. And we'll just grab that little piece at the top. out that comes. Eardrum looking good. So this is what it looked like to start with. Very thick sort of layer of wax and skin. That's what it looked like afterwards. So there we go. You can see we've got 3 centimeters there, just under 1.25 inches. A lot of the skin ribbons we took out at the beginning, as we take them away from there, they get sucked inside the tank. I know you guys don't like tank shots, as you reminded me last week. So as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below if this is something you want us to carry on with the Monday through to Friday videos. But as always, guys, see you soon.